run away, Leia. You are the future.
Terry.
Justin, don't kill him. He can still fail you.
No, his lightsaber broke.
Thank you.
Broken lightsaber.
Don't die, J-Lo! Oh no, it's not done coming!
What's coming? What's up? Oh my god.
Finish him! Good, Tata.
I did it. Bye. This has got to be one of the dorkiest things to ever happen. Maybe dorkier than last year.
Yay! Clap.
Are you guys all attacking the Mandalorian? What's up?
Well, I mean, he's a man and he has DeLorean.
Right.
DeLoreans. They kind of died out after Back to the Future. Go after the lady. That's real, man.
I know.
Reason why they got rid of me.
Ouch.
James.
That's gonna show up on my video.
James, they went after the lady first. The lady was the first to die. Oh, he's not even paying attention.
That's okay. I give them props, the four of them.
Jump in!
Huh?
We're kind of videoing.
Hey, you have to go for the win!
FTW, James.
FTW!
You don't have him as a teacher yet. He can't fail you.